I'm Chef Carla, and I'm the founder of Cooking is the New Healthy online cooking school. I'm also a food stylist, a photographer, health coach, and mama. And I want to talk a little bit about my TNS experience. So I met Keri on the show Cook Your Ass Off. So think about like a healthy chop style competition. She was on the show, she was a judge, and I was contestant. And after the show, she launched TNS. And as soon as she did that, I was like, I'm there. Sign me up. Anything that Keri's doing, sign me up. And that experience totally changed my life, literally. I was a food stylist at the time, and I was teaching cooking classes, but I wasn't really putting my work out there. So as soon as I enrolled in TNS and finished it, I started to post recipes on the TNS blog. And then I started to get the confidence to write for publications like Well and Good, Just Bobby. I've done things for Stasher Bags. I've done things for Donna Chai. Like, it's amazing the confidence that I got from doing the program. So if you're on the fence and you have any questions, I'm at Chef Carla _C on Instagram, and I hope to see you in the community. Bye.